To realize the full potential of this plant and others like it, we've got to do more than just add extra solar megawatts to our electrical grid. And it can prepare America to run on clean energy by helping us upgrade to smarter, stronger, more secure electrical grid. If you lived a bit further out of town, you were completely out of luck. Because broadband providers, they often won't build networks where it's not profitable, just like they wouldn't build electrical lines where it wasn't profitable. Paul is a retired electrical contractor who started a family business. And one of these modern windmills has more than 8,000 different parts. Everything from the towers and the blades to the gears to the electrical switches.
Our entire electrical component of the invention, which is a water pump, and then 2 ozone generators. But the water filtration process sucks out.
Seleccione las 10 políticas de 1 a 10 que más pueden impactar en las tareas del desarrollo, de acuerdo a un análisis de casos.
In the 70s, he put his electrical engineering studies to work and helped create electronic music.
But this tells me how many volts I'm running, how many amps, and I communicate that to my electrical chief, and he tells me how fast to go, to slow down.
We know we've got roads and bridges and airports and electrical grids that need to be rebuilt.
One of the most distinguished physicists, material scientists, and electrical engineers of her generation, her experiments into the conductivity of semimetals transformed our understanding of these materials, leading to breakthroughs in modern electronics.
Translated into electrical messages that then run through the computer.
So it's just a